Hi, I'm Abby, and I'm here to talk to you today about something very important to me and my family, which is the safety and quality of our water. The North Texas Municipal Water District will start a chlorine maintenance period. During this 4-week time frame, we get a lot of questions from our neighbors and friends. Today, we want to answer some of your questions and concerns while assuring you that our water is still safe. Many of you want to know what chlorine maintenance is and why it's needed. In Plano, we get our water from the North Texas Municipal Water District, and they use chloramines to disinfect our water supply. They've been doing this for over 10 years. Chloramines are a mixture of chlorine and ammonia, and they're effective because they prevent bacteria from growing as water travels throughout the system. Chlorine maintenance is a period of about 1 month where the water district discontinues the use of ammonia and only uses chlorine. It's the same amount of chlorine that they always use. The most obvious change you'll notice is a slight change in taste and odor. That's completely normal, so don't be alarmed. The water is completely safe. To make sure, the Water District and the City of Plano test the water during chlorine maintenance and all year long. Some people are more sensitive to the taste, the smell, or even the contact with chlorine on their skin. It doesn't mean the water's unsafe, it's just more noticeable. There are a few simple things you can do to make the taste and smell of the chlorine less noticeable. You can fill a pitcher of water and place it in the fridge overnight to allow the chlorine to dissipate. You can also add a slice of cucumber to a glass of water for a few hours. Water chlorination is one of the greatest public health achievements. By adding chlorine to the water, we prevent bacteria, parasites, and viruses from growing, and these are often found in lakes, which is where our water comes from. The North Texas Municipal Water District and its member cities, including Plano, are committed to providing you, our customers, safe, high-quality drinking water. For more information, visit ntmwd.com/safewater.